After the village was burned, here comes the two trolls. These both trolls have a mission to kill the mutant. But they don't know where the mutant is. Until one day they found out he at a cave. So the first troll said, "What are you doing here, mutant? You sacked my hometown, you son of a bitch. I'm going to kill you, you shithole." And the second troll said, "You rape, you kill, you burn all of my children, you son of a bitch. I'm going to cook you, and I will put your guts in your balls, you dipshit." But the mutant said, "Fuck off, both of you. I'm gonna kill you too. Besides, both of you looks delicious. You can be my soup." Who will win? See you in the next video.